In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a Microsoft Teams link and then join the meeting with someone. So to do this, we are going to need Microsoft Teams. If you don't already have it downloaded, you can download it. If you do have it downloaded though, you can open up the application. Once you're on the application, you'll probably be in the chat area. Now what we can do is we can go to Meet. Once you're in Meet, you can then click on Create a Meeting Link and then give your title a meeting. I'm just going to put Meeting with Bradley Harrison. If you then click Create and Copy, it's going to copy this meeting and it will add it here. So you'll be able to see your recently created meetings. You can also delete them by clicking on the three dots and then clicking Hide. So this is the one we've just created. We can then join that meeting, and we can also go ahead and give this link to somebody else. So we can paste this link, and if somebody else was to go to the meeting, it will then invite them and allow them to either continue on the browser, or if they've got the application, they'll be able to continue in their app as well. They will be then prompted to enable their microphone and their audio. And then on your end, on the app, what you'll do is you'll turn on your camera and your audio by clicking on this button and clicking Join Now. And that is how you can communicate with someone creating a Microsoft Team link.